Good afternoon, everyone. We are Jew, Scarlett, and J1 from Group 5. Today, we are going to explore Tesla's innovation process. This is our table of content. We will introduce Tesla briefly, then we will explore innovation capability, how Tesla fosters innovation, key processes to develop innovation, and external innovation engine. Tesla is a pioneering American company specializing in electric vehicles, energy storage systems, and solar energy products. The company's initial breakthrough was the Roadster sports car, notable for its impressive range and acceleration, which demonstrated the viability of electric vehicles on a global scale. Tesla's subsequent models include the luxury sedan Model S, the innovative Model X SUV, and the mass-market Model 3, all of which have set new standards for safety, performance, and sustainable design. To access Tesla's innovation capabilities, the RPV framework provides a comprehensive lens. Given our time, we will focus on its unique resources and processes. Tesla's resources are heavily weighted towards powerful intangible assets. Elon Musk himself is a huge resource. His vision and personal brand act as a powerful magnet for top-tier engineering and software talent that make Tesla synonymous with innovation and a sustainable future. Its fleet of millions of vehicles provides a data set, which involves a constant stream of real-world driving data. This is Tesla's digital oil, providing an insurmountable head start in training its AI. Tesla's proprietary full self-driving software stack and custom design chips are core resources that allow its products to improve long after purchase. These resources are leveraged through revolutionary processes. Tesla's core philosophy is launch early and iterate continuously. In Tesla's example, a car could be launched with features not fully optimized. Then, using over-the-air updates, Tesla can fix bugs, improve performance, increase range, and add new features after the car has been sold. This transforms the car from a static product into a dynamic, evolving platform. It reframes imperfection not as failure, but as the starting point for continuous innovation. Now we are going to explore how Tesla fosters innovation. Tesla fosters radical innovation by strategically using what's known as a skunkworks approach, and the Cybertruck is the perfect case study. First, Tesla didn't just create a new team, it created a separate entity. The Cybertruck team was physically and organizationally isolated from Tesla's main operations. This granted them ultimate autonomy, freeing them from the constraints of using existing parts or production lines. They operated in secrecy with a small LA team reporting directly to top leadership, which allowed for incredibly fast decision making. This unique structure enabled a series of disruptive innovations that would have been impossible in the mainstream organization. The team completely abandoned a century of automotive design. Instead of a traditional stamped and painted body, they created an exoskeleton from ultra-hard stainless steel. This eliminated the entire painting process and dramatically reduced part count. It was a manufacturing revolution, not just a design change. Finally, this skunkworks model provides the ultimate cultural incentive. It created a protected space where engineers could ignore the phrase, "that's impossible," and "this is how it's always been done." They were empowered to pursue a first principles approach, solving problems not with automated textbooks, but by borrowing techniques from aerospace and shipbuilding. Now, let me pass on to Scarlett, who's going to talk about the key processes to develop innovation.
Tesla has its own advantages, which shows its uniqueness and differences with others. First, Tesla car owners often share their usage experience on social media without spending any advertising expense. Tesla owners aren't just customers, they are evangelists. Surveys show that over 99% of Model 3 owners recommend Tesla to others. Second, it's the first brand in automotive marketing channel to sell exclusively through the online channels. Third, Tesla's products are eco-friendly or pure electric vehicles and focus on environmental protection. Tesla used a technology push innovation to create the spearhead, and then used market pull innovation. In the beginning, Tesla pushes a revolutionary product with groundbreaking technology, such as large touchscreen, autopilot hardware. Then the market responds with massive demand and high satisfaction, creating a passionate customer base and a powerful brand. By learning, Tesla uses the data and revenue from success to understand the market's desire for a cheaper, higher volume car. Finally, it pushes again. This funds the next massive technology push, building the Gigafactory to lower battery costs at an unprecedented scale, which enables the Model 3. Let's dive into details of the key process of Tesla, how Tesla's marketing strategy made it work. In market research approach, on behalf of lead user method, Tesla initially target lead user early adopters who value high performance, innovations, and are willing to tolerate early imperfections. This helped Tesla gain comprehensive ideas for the redevelopment and improvement of its products and processes. While talking about the focus group, Tesla knew that need to understand what features women find appealing in crossover vehicles. So it conducted focus groups in as car buyers. Women have different concerns when looking at a vehicle, especially those who are settling or children or events. They found that women value the functionality more. The main selling point was safety. On the date of release Model X, pre-sales have already been shipped. Women are lining up. With regards to IP protection, Tesla filed numerous patents on its core technologies, from battery cell designs to unique wiring architectures, create a legal barrier to entry for direct copying their innovation. Robust patent portfolio. Patents for the giant Giga press machines, simplifying assembly and reducing costs. Here are the patents Tesla had filed in different countries.
Okay, thank you, Scarlett, for outlining Tesla's key innovation processes. Building on that, I'll focus on how Tesla sources and applies innovative ideas from outside its own boundaries, essentially how it taps into external engines of innovation. So firstly, Tesla is famous for its open patent strategy. Back in 2014, Tesla adopted a bold open source patent strategy, so it made its patents available for anyone to use for free, even competitors. This was not about giving away secrets, but about expanding the entire electric vehicle ecosystem. By encouraging other automakers to use this technology for free, Tesla fostered a collaborative environment where multiple companies could build on and advance EV technology together. This approach helped Tesla's own technology become a standard across the industry and drive the standardization of EV components and systems. As more companies chose to use Tesla's patents, the entire market for EV vehicles grew dramatically, including the share of EV sold worldwide. As you can see in this graph, the share of electric vehicles sold increased from just 0.41% in 2014 to 22% in 2024. While this growth came from many efforts across the industry, Tesla's open innovation played an important role and established it as a benchmark for EV technology. Secondly, Tesla works closely with other companies, but not just buying them. Instead of just buying the companies, Tesla forges equal and mutually beneficial partnerships. Notable examples are Panasonic, Lotus, Toyota, and these partnerships allow Tesla to access valuable external knowledge and ideas. However, at the same time, Tesla produced many crucial components in-house to keep control over efficiency and core competencies. This strategy combines outside strengths with Tesla's own, accelerating innovation and ensuring that Tesla stays at the leading edge across cars, battery technology, and even IT and energy solutions, ultimately creating a multi-sector business ecosystem. Thirdly, Tesla has pioneered a real-time data-driven customer feedback loop with direct impact on their R&D and product evolution. Most automakers rely on traditional surveys or focus groups which can take months or years to influence new models. In contrast, Tesla collected real-world data from its cars on the road, diagnosing issues and identifying opportunities as customers actually use their vehicles. Tesla uses this feedback to drive immediate improvements, often deploying changes via over-the-air software updates. This nearly instant feedback and iteration cycle lets Tesla evolve its products continuously, keeping pace with driver needs and staying far ahead of competitors who operate on slower and more conventional timelines. So in summary, Tesla's external innovation engine is defined by its open source patent strategy, deep collaborative partnerships, and real-time feedback loop with users. These steps reach far beyond standard practices, allowing Tesla to set industry standards, boost innovation, and lead the industry's evolution on a global scale. Thank you.